Top 4 powerful herbs that support gentle urination and repair kidneys. If you wake up at night just to pee, if your urine feels weak, slow, or uncomfortable. Here's the scary part. Most people ignore these signs until their kidneys are already struggling. And no, I'm not talking about extreme cases or rare diseases. I'm talking about everyday kidney stress that builds up quietly from dehydration, bad food, meds, or just getting older. The good news is, nature already has tools for this. Today I'm going to show you the top 4 powerful herbs that help support gentle urination and help your kidneys repair themselves faster. Herbs people have used for generations, but almost nobody explains the right way. Stay with me because one of these herbs is often used wrong, and that mistake can cancel out its benefits completely. Number 1. Astragalus Root. Most people don't realize their kidneys are under stress until the signs become impossible to ignore. Slow urine flow, pressure, discomfort in the lower back. These issues rarely appear overnight. They build quietly day after day, often driven by inflammation and poor circulation around the kidneys. That is exactly where astragalus root stands out, because instead of forcing the kidneys to work harder, it focuses on reducing the pressure they carry every single day. Astragalus works by helping calm inflammation and improving blood movement in the kidney region. When circulation improves, the kidneys are no longer fighting against resistance just to filter waste. Over time, this allows urine to flow more smoothly and completely without the strained, stop-and-start feeling many people experience. The change is subtle at first, but consistent. This is not a fast jolt like a drug. It is a gradual shift that allows the kidneys to function with less friction and less daily stress. Another reason astragalus is often associated with kidney support is its relationship with vitamin B activity, particularly vitamin B6. Vitamin B6 plays a key role in protein metabolism and waste management from everyday meals. When that process slows down, metabolic waste builds up faster than the kidneys can comfortably handle. Astragalus helps support this natural breakdown process, reducing the workload placed on the kidneys before problems compound over time. This is why traditional systems valued it for endurance and balance, not quick symptom control. One common mistake people make is using astragalus too aggressively. High heat, heavy boiling, or excessive dosing can strip away the very qualities that make this root effective. Traditionally, astragalus is treated gently. The dried root is sliced and lightly simmered into a mild tea or added to slow-cooked soups where heat remains low and steady. This preserves its active compounds and allows the body to absorb them without irritation. For most people, using it a few times per week is enough to provide steady support, especially for those who already feel sensitivity in the kidney area. Astragalus also works best as a foundation rather than a standalone solution. When combined with mild herbs that support fluid movement, it provides structural support while other ingredients assist with flow. This balance helps reduce nighttime bathroom trips, eases pressure during urination, and promotes a steadier, more natural rhythm. Over time, many people notice secondary benefits as well, including improved energy, warmer hands and feet, and reduced lower back tension. What makes astragalus truly unique is how well it holds up with long-term use. It does not overwhelm the body or create dependency. Instead, it supports the kidneys in relearning how to function efficiently again. Real kidney support is not about forcing results. It is about restoring conditions where the body can heal itself, quietly, patiently, and with lasting stability. Number 2. Burdock Root. Burdock Root is known for one primary role in kidney support, helping the body let go of what it no longer needs. Instead of strengthening or repairing, burdock focuses on release. When fluid, waste, and metabolic byproducts linger too long, the kidneys are forced to manage pressure that was never meant to stay. Over time, this creates a feeling of heaviness, puffiness, and sluggish urination. Burdock works by encouraging a clean and steady exit, allowing the kidneys to operate without unnecessary buildup weighing them down. What makes burdock effective is its mild diuretic nature. It supports urine flow in a controlled way, helping excess fluid move out gradually rather than all at once. This matters because aggressive flushing can shock the system and leave the body depleted. Burdock avoids that problem. By promoting consistent movement, it reduces the daily burden placed on the kidneys and helps restore a more natural rhythm. Many people notice that urination feels smoother, pressure is reduced, and the body feels lighter overall as retained fluid slowly clears. Burdock also supports kidney health through nutrition, not stimulation. It contains vitamin C, which helps protect kidney tissue from oxidative stress created by everyday metabolism. It also provides small amounts of vitamin B6, which assists with protein processing and waste handling. When these systems run efficiently, fewer byproducts remain in circulation waiting to be filtered. This nutritional support works quietly in the background, helping reduce the workload before it turns into long-term strain. One overlooked benefit of burdock root is its fiber content. Fiber improves digestion and gut balance, which directly affects kidney workload. When digestion functions smoothly, fewer toxins and byproducts enter circulation in the first place. That means the kidneys are not constantly catching what the digestive system failed to manage. In this way, burdock supports cleansing from both directions, improving elimination while reducing incoming waste. Preparation plays a critical role in how burdock performs. It is best used gently, sliced and brewed into a light tea, or cooked slowly into broths and vegetable-based meals. Heavy boiling or excessive doses are unnecessary and can reduce its benefits. Because burdock moves fluid, it should not be used during dehydration or periods of heavy fluid loss. Using it a few times per week is typically enough to support cleansing without pushing the kidneys beyond their comfort zone. Burdock works best as part of a balanced approach. When combined with herbs that support circulation or tissue recovery, it clears space while other systems rebuild. This combination helps create smoother urination, lower internal pressure, and a cleaner internal environment over time. Burdock is not about forcing detox or chasing quick results. Its value lies in giving the body a proper exit, so the kidneys are no longer holding what should have already left. If this video is helping you, make sure you subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next ones, and drop a comment below if you have any questions or problems you're dealing with. Also, tell me where you're watching from and how old you are so I can make videos that fit you better. Number 3, milk thistle. Kidney damage rarely makes noise. It does not arrive with sharp pain or sudden warning signs. Instead, it builds quietly through daily exposure to toxins, medications, processed foods, and environmental chemicals. Milk thistle stands out because it does not focus on speed or force. Its role is protection. While it is widely known for liver support, milk thistle also plays a critical role in shielding the kidneys from this slow, invisible damage. Every day, the kidneys filter blood, remove waste, and neutralize harmful compounds before they can circulate further. This constant workload creates oxidative stress, a form of cellular wear that slowly weakens kidney tissue. Milk thistle helps counter this process by strengthening the body's antioxidant defenses, especially those linked to vitamin E activity. Vitamin E is essential for protecting cell membranes from breakdown. When kidney cells are better protected, they maintain their structure, resilience, and filtering ability under long-term stress. Unlike herbs that stimulate urine flow, milk thistle does not push fluids through the system. Instead, it improves the internal conditions under which the kidneys operate. Lower oxidative stress means less inflammation, healthier tissue, and smoother filtration. Many people assume weak or uncomfortable urination is always caused by fluid imbalance. In reality, it often reflects stressed or damaged kidney tissue struggling to perform. Milk thistle addresses that deeper issue by defending the kidneys rather than forcing them to compensate. How milk thistle is used matters. It is typically prepared as a gentle infusion using crushed seeds or taken in carefully measured powder form. Small doses are sufficient to support antioxidant activity without overwhelming the kidneys. This herb works best when used in cycles rather than continuous daily use. Proper hydration is essential during these periods, so the kidneys have adequate support while recovery takes place. This measured approach allows protection to build without creating dependency or strain. Milk thistle also fits naturally into a broader support strategy. When combined with herbs that promote urine flow or waste removal, it serves as the protective layer. While other herbs focus on movement, milk thistle focuses on preservation. This division of roles creates balance. Waste can be cleared more gently while kidney tissue remains guarded against further damage. Over time, this combination helps maintain stability instead of pushing the system toward exhaustion. Milk thistle is not designed to flush or cleanse aggressively. Its value lies in prevention and repair. By reducing cellular stress and reinforcing the kidney's natural defenses, it helps preserve function before breakdown occurs. True kidney support is not about forcing results. It is about making sure the organs responsible for filtering life's daily burden remain protected, resilient, and capable for the long run. Number 4, ginger. Poor circulation is one of the most underestimated reasons kidney function slowly begins to decline over time. When blood flow becomes weak, uneven, or sluggish, the kidneys are forced to filter waste under constant strain. Instead of receiving a steady supply of oxygen and nutrients, kidney tissue must operate under pressure, which gradually reduces efficiency. Ginger plays a distinct role in kidney support because it focuses on restoring movement. Rather than cleansing, repairing, or shielding, ginger activates circulation so blood, nutrients, and fluids can reach the kidneys with less resistance and greater consistency. Ginger works by warming the body from within and easing lingering inflammation that tightens blood vessels. When circulation remains cold and stagnant, kidney filtration becomes less smooth, often creating pressure, discomfort, or a tight sensation during urination. Over time, this resistance places additional stress on kidney tissue. By improving blood movement, ginger helps loosen that internal resistance. Many people notice that urine flow feels steadier, less restricted, and more natural as circulation improves. This change is not sudden or forceful. It develops gradually as blood supply improves and kidney tissue receives consistent support. Beyond circulation, ginger helps stabilize kidney function by supporting metabolic balance. Its natural compounds assist the body in breaking down protein and managing daily metabolic waste more efficiently. When metabolism runs smoothly, fewer byproducts linger in the bloodstream waiting to be filtered. This reduces the workload placed on the kidneys during routine daily function. Ginger also provides antioxidant support, helping kidney cells cope with ongoing stress caused by diet, dehydration, medications, and natural aging. This makes ginger especially valuable for individuals experiencing mild kidney strain rather than advanced or structural damage. Another often overlooked benefit of ginger is how it supports warmth and internal rhythm. Coldness in the body can slow circulation and stiffen tissues, making filtration less efficient. Ginger gently restores warmth without overstimulation, encouraging blood to move freely rather than pooling or stalling. This warming effect helps nutrients reach kidney tissue more efficiently, while waste products are carried away with less resistance. Over time, this balance supports comfort, consistency, and resilience. The way ginger is used greatly affects its benefits. The most effective approach is gentle and consistent. Fresh ginger can be sliced and steeped into warm tea, added to meals, or infused in warm water. Strong extracts and excessive doses are unnecessary and may overstimulate sensitive systems. Small amounts used regularly allow ginger to improve circulation without creating imbalance. Moderation ensures support remains steady rather than disruptive, especially for individuals with existing kidney sensitivity. Ginger performs best as part of a broader herbal strategy. When combined with herbs that focus on cleansing or tissue protection, ginger ensures blood flow and nutrients reach the kidneys efficiently. While other herbs assist with waste removal or cellular defense, ginger keeps the internal pathways open. This coordination supports smoother urination, reduced pressure, and lasting comfort instead of aggressive flushing or forced detox methods. Ginger is not designed to replace cleansing or protective herbs. Its strength lies in motion. By restoring warmth, circulation, and internal flow, ginger allows other forms of kidney support to function more effectively. Healthy kidneys depend on movement as much as protection or repair. Ginger provides that movement, helping the kidneys remain responsive, balanced, and capable over time. When you look at all 4 herbs together, a clear pattern shows up. None of them force the kidneys or shock the body. Astragalus builds strength, burdock clears gently, milk thistle protects from damage, and ginger keeps blood and energy moving. That balance is what supports gentle urination and gives the kidneys a real chance to recover instead of just reacting. Small choices used the right way, over time, can change how your body feels every single day, especially if you've been dealing with pressure, weak flow, or constant bathroom trips. If you want to learn how to use these herbs safely and correctly, watch the next video.